Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Yeah, we got a little unboxing here, and as you see at the title, a key part to our Block 1 project we have going on. So let's get to it. This was a bit of a risky score, and I'm hoping I don't have a, a fake part in here. So let's get to it, guys. Oh, I've been waiting on this. Always wanted one of these. This box seems kind of big. I don't know why the box is so big, but I guess we shall see. Here we go, guys. I guess packaged up nice. Oh yeah, some paper there. Spyderco Paramilitary 2, by the way. What a great knife. Anyways, let's see what we got. I have classified info here, probably. Yeah, classified info. So yeah, guys, I purchased a surplus ACOG. That's why you don't see a big Pelican or a small Pelican Trijicon case here. There she is. Anything else in the box? So now, before I open this, guys, this, from one, I guess, if we have a real one here, I got my fingers crossed. This it has a little bit of scratches on it. This is a genuine military issue, should be anyway. So had a few scratches on it. I suspect they kind of look like aluminum scratches, so maybe they will come off, most of them anyway. I had a choice between a couple of different ones, and there she is. There we go, guys. She is legit. See, I think that's aluminum, so that should come off there. Looks like it's been rattling in the box around with the other ones that the fella had. Yep, picked this up off eBay. Let's see, we got some red there. I can't really see through the camera here, but we got some red, so that's good. Let me look through the reticle real quick. Oh yeah, very nice. Blooming a little bit. Cover it up, and yep. I need to check the tritium. Oh yeah, still got tritium. Still got tritium. Wow. I'm stoked to have this. As you see, the Bible verse, that shows us it's military surplus right there. Bible verse, the JN 8- or whatever Bible verse that they kind of got in trouble with, and they had to change over there in 2010. So this is an ACOG TA31RCO. Probably seen that in the title. So our ACOG for the Block 1 project. So glass looks good. Let's see, let's just scope the glass out real good and take a good look at her here. This has ballast all on it, but it'll be all right. I suspect a lot of these scratches are going to come off here. I suspect that's just aluminum rubbing up against it. These are type 3 hard coat anodized, so, and they have some kind of like look like they have some kind of coating on them maybe, but it doesn't. It feels like anodized aluminum to me. Some people say they have like a rubber coating on them, but and yeah, I got this for half the price, so there's a bit of a gamble there that you take. You know, if I have to send it back, there's a gamble there that they could keep it. So if it hasn't been written off, which the guy that had these had a bunch of them, so I need to talk to him about that. But it's legit, guys. I am stoked. I am stoked. Look at that. And got more parts for the we should have some more parts coming in pretty soon for the Block 1 project. So stay tuned for some videos on that, guys. This is a key piece, guys. I've always wanted them. This has the chevron reticle, the red chevron with the bullet drop compensator. It has the, whatever they are, the hash marks out to the side. I don't know if we can see it on camera here. There she is, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, stopping by and hanging out with me on this little unboxing here, and keep an eye out because we're going to show you this little baby on the rifle. So for now, Hillbilly is over and out of here, guys. Peace. Stay safe.